In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of PowerPoint. If you need to sign out of your account in PowerPoint, the process is very quick and simple. This can be useful if you're using a shared computer, switching to a different account, or just wanting to make sure your information is no longer connected to the app. I'll walk you through exactly what to do so you can follow along easily. First, open PowerPoint and look toward the upper right area of the window. You should see your profile name or account icon there. This section is where PowerPoint shows the account that is currently signed in. If you're not sure where to look, it's usually near the top right corner of the screen, above your presentation workspace. Go ahead and click on the profile name. When you select it, a small menu or account panel should appear. This menu gives you access to account-related options, including the one you need to sign out. Take a moment to make sure you've opened the correct menu, since this is where PowerPoint keeps settings related to your account and identity. Next, click on Sign Out. Once you do that, PowerPoint will begin logging you out of the account currently connected to the application. In some cases, the app may briefly refresh or return you to a signed out state right away. That's completely normal. After signing out, PowerPoint may stop syncing files connected to that account, and some cloud-based features may no longer be available until you sign in again. So if you were working on a file saved online, it's always a good idea to make sure your work is saved before logging out. That helps avoid confusion later, especially if you plan to switch accounts or close the program. And that's really all there is to it. To log out of PowerPoint, just click the profile name in the upper right corner, then click Sign Out. It's a fast process, but it's an important one if you want to protect your privacy or manage multiple accounts on the same device. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly and clearly understand how to log out of PowerPoint.